What's going on, guys? Jesse at Humble Auto Spa, and today I want to show you guys a little short video about how our PPF performs under real damage. So our client came in and got our Ultimate Armor Package, which is full front end PPF, whole thing ceramic coated, probably about a year ago, pretty close. But in that year, they actually sustained a little bit of damage. They scuffed the front part of their vehicle. So come check this out. They've got a little damage here, and they've got damage right here. This is probably the most significant amount of damage. And so it totally tore the PPF, but the paint underneath is completely intact. And this is really, really awesome to see. It sucks that it happened, but the paint protection film is doing its job. And so today we're gonna be removing this PPF, inspecting the paint, and so far it looks all good. Once it looks good, we're gonna clean it, and then we're gonna reapply paint protection film so that this Audi stays looking brand new even a year after some service. Hell yeah, dude, look at that. PPF works. You see what I'm doing? Mm-hmm. Line here, move it, and then squeegee shut. Okay, guys, check it out. So with the PPF back on, looking at this fender and front bumper, even this black trim that was damaged earlier, looks like the PPF has done its job. We've replaced it, and it looks like nothing even happened. It literally looks like day one. So does paint protection film work? Yeah, it really does. It really does protect from physical damage, even nasty scuffs like that, which normally would warrant repaint. So if you got a brand new vehicle and you know you want to get this kind of protection on the car, you want the peace of mind of having this type of material on your new car, this is the product for you. Full front end paint protection packages start around $19.99. If you want even less coverage, like let's say just a partial, like up to here, we have those too, and they're considerably a lot cheaper at about $12.50. These type of protection packages don't have to be cost prohibitive. There's a package for everybody. So if you want to protect your car, this is the product for you. It's Jesse at Humble Auto Spa, and I'll catch you next time.